back here, and so we have it for 150. We're gonna try to put about 20-25 into it, and then it'll actually sell for about 235, 240 if we're lucky. But yeah, guys, let's go to the closing and let's go close on this, because we're actually getting paid at closing, and you're not gonna believe how much we got paid to buy a house. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day. I'm closing one of my favorite deals that I've ever done in real estate, and I'm gonna tell you why, because it's with one of my good buddies, but the story is amazing. But right now we're headed to go check out the newest flip. This is flip number 4 that we've purchased for March, but I gotta go meet some contractors, got my coffee. Let's go.
They're very easy to assess, measure, and test. And this is why most teams, especially business teams who are kind of around, they're very difficult to assess, measure, and test. And the most do something very few people can do. There's nothing wrong with that, and that's a little bit of narcissism talking. This is
shortlist fast. You need Indeed.com right out. So I was able to get inside of there. That floor is like it's shot, bro. And I don't even really think it's safe for anybody to walk in there, because like I almost go through.
Gotcha. It's cool. It'll be their personal decision, bro. I just need them open, and if you can take the pictures. Were you able to get in the other one as well?
I have not been able to get that.
All right, guys, we've made it to the flip. This is the newest one, like I said, that my buddy Ray, he's about to be here. So interesting story how I know Ray is when I moved to Houston, he was actually the first person that I ever met. He was like my first friend. We both used to wait tables at Cracker Barrel. And basically, you know, we stayed in touch over the years. We kind of both got fired from Cracker Barrel. And over the years we stayed in touch, and you know, a couple years ago he had a really bad motorcycle accident. So after a while, you know, we stayed in touch, and then, you know, he had a really bad motorcycle accident. Well, within that time, he really wanted to learn something new. You know, he just wasn't happy with where he was. He reached out to me about real estate, and I was like, you just need to study and then take action, right? Same thing I tell everybody. So he did that, and here we are a few months later. He just called me one morning and was like, hey, I'm having issues with this contract. I got this person, they're ready to sell. So I looked at him. I told him to send me the deal, and I looked at the deal, and the numbers are incredible, guys. So he got this property. This house is worth about 235 to 240 conservatively, and he got this property under contract for $127,000, which is insane in today's market. And I was like, look, actually, this is a really good deal. If we can get clear title, I will buy the home. So we came to look at it, and I'm gonna give you guys a walkthrough, because it's actually not in bad condition. It did flood, but the homeowners were actually putting it back together. So they've done a majority of the work, but there are some things missing. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. What's good with you, bro? How you living? It's a beautiful day. Let's go, man. Nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you.
And pantry size cabinet, and then eliminate this one and leave this one. And just leave this one. You know, we can one of them.
Those are like foldable shits.
Yeah, there's foldable doors, the bifold dash. I mean, yeah, definitely, but I mean, it's a really small size pantry also. It's not really useful.
Yeah, but it's the only pantry.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons why I would add a full-size pantry cabinet, to make sure that they have that storage space, right?
All right, so the only bad thing really about this house is it has a weird layout. It kind of goes in a big U, but I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Big open space.
Yeah.
In the kitchen.
So there's a little bit more, okay?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, like I said, it goes in a U, so straight hallway here. So you can see the homeowner, he did nice flooring throughout. We're gonna have to add some doors for the closet. We got the contractor in here looking. I hate this flooring. We're gonna try to figure out something different to do, but this is kind of like a Jack and Jill. It separates the 2 bedrooms. And then let's go take a look. This is the master. Sorry, the lighting is crap. Like I said, we're literally headed to closing after this crappy tile that I hate. But we gotta do some vanities in here. We have 2 big closets. He already tiled the showers for us, toilet, and then back here. All right, so we have this huge space back here though, and we have to make sure everything is permitted. So it's kind of attached to the master. So we're gonna try to close this off and make it like a mother-in-law suite. And then you have a door here to the outside and then a door to the garage. We just need to make sure the stuff is permitted. They did the foundation nice, but you just gotta make sure, because when we go to sell this to a traditional buyer, we have a random electrical outlet, a cutout for AC, so we'd have to fix that. And you can tell they had some termite damage. So just a few things that we need to get looked at. And then I have my contractors here, but let's go take a look at the outside real quick. So like I said, it sits in a courtyard. Got this nice fence though. We're in a beautiful neighborhood. I'll show you guys. We're over in the Cypress area. And the roof, that guy is trying to sell us on a roof. Like I said, my man Solomon though, he's gonna get us right. He's actually here. But yeah, we can see the house right here. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the house. Give you a quick preview of the neighborhood. So almost in a cul-de-sac. And like I said, this house flooded in Harvey and they've been slowly putting it back together. But it's a really nice home. And we have some mature trees in the back. And you know, pretty big lot for this neighborhood. The backyard here, guys. So a pretty decent backyard. Obviously needs to be cut, cleaned up. Got to get some new electrical panel going. Have a almost new AC unit though that even expands into that new weird room that I was telling you guys about. And then like I said, the roof is pretty much shot. We have this huge mature tree. So yeah, we're just gonna clean it up back here. And so we have it for $150. We're gonna try to put about 20-25 into it, and then it'll actually sell for about $235, $240 if we're lucky. But yeah, guys, let's go to the closing and let's go close on this, because we're actually getting paid at closing, and you're not gonna believe how much we got paid to buy a house.
I think it's more of the latter. Again, I wouldn't say there
Don't have as open or honest exchange as what you guys were used to dealing with. Necessary it is in their business life.
All right, guys, we've made it to my favorite place, the title company. Let's go close this deal. So let the people know how you feeling. First deal closed, $23,000 assignment. How you feeling?
Feeling good. Feeling closed, get paid, pop the trunk, and wave.
And like I said, guys, like me and this guy go back. It's been what, bro? 9 years when I first moved here, and you had first moved here.
2013, right? I moved in 2011, but we met in like 12.
Yeah, it was 2012 when I moved here. So, and here we are, closing big deals, bro. It's a great feeling. This is my favorite deal, like I told you guys, that I've done, because life always finds a way to come full circle sometimes. Would you agree?
Yep, definitely.
Hell yeah.
Dude, the tones.
Huh?
I said they make so much money.
Oh, I know. Well, I just write off a blanket, $25 a week.
All right, guys, and just like that, we have wrapped up. Mr. Benjamin,
What's going on, guys? Feeling good. Just another project under the belt, or we're getting started. So now we're at like 3 or 4 active flips, and we need more. So it's exciting. It's definitely uncomfortable in a way in regards to money, contractors, and everything. But that's what we need. That's what we need to grow. So see y'all on the flip side.
How you
Oh
feeling?
shit, you know I'm feeling good. I'm out here.
And just like that, guys, we're closed up. So we're gonna go grab some lunch with actually an old coworker. She's a manager next door. And then we're gonna go to Katy Flip because we should be done this weekend, get it listed and everything. So let go.
That was so good. I was stealing most of what we did today. I'll try to credit you sometime.
Alright guys, we made it here. Last stop of the day, Katy Flip. We're getting finished up. I'm about to show you guys where we're at and what we're working on to get to that finish line. So we got plants. We're working on painting the door. We're doing a bright color again. Floors are in. Finishing the door. Everything. Carpet in, tile is done. We just got to work on the mirror. Mirror in here. I mean, it pretty much looks how it's looked, you know, the last couple times that we've been here. But we're almost at the finish line. And we should be listed this week. My buddy is a realtor. He's actually going to run some Facebook ads local in the area, but this house should not last long. We plan on listing them for $199,000. So yeah, I'll keep you guys on the progress, how it's going. This might be one of the last times that you all see this property, but as always, appreciate you guys kicking it with me. Like, subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, and kill it, guys. And make sure you're watching every video. We have a lot of projects coming. As you see, we just closed on one. We have another hoarder one we're working on, so it's gonna be a fun year. Peace.